Are you overwhelmed by online shopping? You're not alone. A new AI robot may offer the help you need. The viral ChatGPT bot is expanding its capabilities. OpenAI is adding shopping features to simplify your search experience. With this update, users can easily view prices and reviews. You will also find direct links to purchase personalized product recommendations. OpenAI assures users that the selections are independent and not ads. This feature aims to streamline your shopping process. Last year, OpenAI debuted its search tool. It's now one of their most popular features, boasting over 1 billion web searches recently. Currently, Google dominates the search market, claiming 89% of global traffic. Yet its market share is slowly slipping in recent months. By adding shopping, OpenAI directly competes with Google and media sites offering product reviews. This includes competitors like Amazon and the New York Times. Amazon also introduced its generative AI shopping assistant last year. Meanwhile, rival AI firm Perplexity has developed a shopping tool as well. OpenAI's update aims to make finding, comparing, and buying products faster. The rollout of this feature will be available to all users in just a few days. In addition to shopping, OpenAI unveiled a feature for live sports scores via text chat. Users will also receive multiple citations in their answers. This update marks a significant shift in how we shop online. Embrace the future of shopping with AI. Ready to elevate your shopping experience? Try out the new ChatGPT shopping features today.